Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. On December 16, 2020, India successfully test fired the DRDO developed nuclear capable Prithvi 2 missile off the coast of Odisha in Balasore. According to sources, the trials of the DRDO developed nuclear capable surface to surface missile was very much successful. Similarly, even on September 23, 2020, India conducted a successful night test fire of its indigenously developed nuclear capable surface to surface Prithvi 2 missile as part of a user trial by the army from a base in Odisha. The missile was randomly chosen from the production stock, and the entire launch activity was carried out by Strategic Force Command of the Army and monitored by scientists of Defense Research and Development Organization, and this is as part of the training exercise. Not only on September 23, 2020, even previously India successfully test fired its indigenously developed Prithvi 2 missile on November 20, 2019 night. This was also done as part of user trial by the army from the integrated test range on Dr. Abdul Kalam Island in the Bay of Bengal off the coast of Odisha at night time. The Prithvi 2 variant is capable of carrying 500 to 1000 kg of warheads and is a single-stage liquid-fueled missile. According to news sources, the range of this particular missile has now been increased to 350 kilometers. The state-of-the-art missile uses an advanced inertial guidance system with maneuvering trajectory to hit its target. There is also another upgraded variant of Prithvi, which is Prithvi 3, and this two-stage surface-to-surface missile has a solid fuel with 16 metric ton force thrust motor in first stage, and later in the second stage it is liquid fueled. The Prithvi 3 missile can carry a 1000 kg warhead to a distance of 350 km and a 500 kg warhead to a distance of 600 km and 250 kg warhead up to a distance of 750 km. We know that India and Pakistan have been in conflict after India scrapped the Article 370 to revoke the Jammu and Kashmir's special status and divided it into two union territories. Even though these missile test fires are said to be part of military readiness, each country is well prepared for any war by performing such missile tests. So that was a quick update on the test firing of two Prithvi 2 surface-to-surface ballistic missile by DRDO. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.